Hello and welcome to this powerful guided healing meditation. You may be seated on the floor, cushion, or on a supportive chair. In the next few minutes, you will be guiding healing energy in and through your mind and body. Listen to this meditation daily, whether first thing in the morning, to start your day feeling calm, clear of mind, inspired, or listen any time of day when you feel you need a positive boost or reset from your day's events to let go and feel your best. Let's begin. Start with eyes open. If you're able, look out a window, or if there's no immediate view, that's okay. Just close your eyes and imagine you are resting while surrounded by some form of nature. Take note of what you see around you. Colors, shapes, textures, movements. The wind blowing the leaves as they dance in the trees. Perhaps there are some animals like squirrels acting playful and happily jumping from branch to branch, or beautiful birds singing amongst each other. Maybe there's a body of water or a pond in sight. Enjoy this moment as you begin to feel connected to nature all around you. If comfortable, you may now gently close your eyes. Begin to focus on your slow, deep breaths. For the next few breaths, I want you to breathe in through your nose for a count of 3 or 4. Pause for a moment and then exhale gently out through your mouth for a count of 6 to 8. A comfortable rhythm of breath in and out. Nothing is forced. Gently in for 3 or 4. Pause. And slowly out for 6 to 8. As you practice this breath, know that you are activating your vagus nerve, which helps you move into a parasympathetic state of rest, digest, and healing. You are dropping into the moment. Imagine, as you continue with this sequence of breathing, that you are inhaling oxygen from nature, and as you exhale, nature is inhaling from you. You are beginning to really feel connected with this beautiful energy exchange. When you're ready, begin to inhale and exhale through your nose naturally. Slow, deep breaths into your lower belly. If your mind wanders, that is okay and is normal. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath or my voice. Slow, long, deep breaths. Begin to bring your focus to your feet rooted on the floor. You are connecting with Mother Earth. She is powerful as her energy helps you feel safe, strong, and centered. As you slow down and connect, there is a sense of stability and comfort that is always there for you. Breathe into this feeling, this connection. Slow, long, deep breaths. Now bring your focus above to receive healing light energy from the heavens as it begins to shine down onto you. Picture this light as warm and golden, or white diamond-like, sparkling as it flows in and around you. Starting from your head, over your face, your eyes, your jaw, around your ears, the back of your head, and neck. Feel the warmth from this sunshine healing and relaxing every part of your body. This protective light, either appearing as sparkling white or warm and golden, is around you and within you, moving downwards across your chest and back. Breathe in this light. Feel your ribs gently expand and contract with every breath. Warmth is felt over your shoulders, releasing and letting go of constriction or tension, and flows effortlessly down your arms into your hands. Continue down the front and back of your body. Healing light is pouring in and is felt as a comforting blanket of love all around you. Slow, long, deep breaths. Light travels into your hips, legs, and feet, releasing any discomfort along the way. As you breathe in, this energy from the heavens grows brighter and brighter. Every cell of your body is infused with this healing light. Now you can stay with this feeling for yourself, or if there's a loved one you would like to share this energy with, take a moment and with each breath imagine they too are experiencing and filling up with healing light coming down from the sky, enveloping them with love. You are connecting with the earth beneath you, the sky above, and nature all around you. You are calm, at peace, grounded, filled with loving, healing light. Your head feels clear and open. Your emotions feel tranquil and balanced. Your body is strong, healthy, and energized, ready for your day full of positive possibilities. Slow, long, deep breaths. You can stay here as long as you would like, or when you hear the bells chime, it is time for you to gently come back into the room and slowly open your eyes and begin to gently stretch your body. Carve out time and create a ritual to practice this meditation daily to help infuse healing, positive energy. Know, as you move on with your day, that this powerful energy will stay with you, helping you feel your very best, mind, body, and spirit. It was wonderful working with you today. Love, light, and chi.